I'm just gonna
you got that
turn it on.
Yummy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and can I just say how excited I am. I've been really wanting to do an unboxing video for the longest time now, and I've been wanting to get myself a ring light for the longest time as well, and now that I've got one, I'm just getting so excited about doing it. Okay, so the ring light that I have here, it is the 18-inch Neewer dimmable ring light. And can I just say before I start, I have done a lot of research on this ring light before I even thought about buying it, because I'm that type of person where I have to really look into stuff first before I get them. They are not very cheap. However, when I looked at the reviews and when I looked at people unboxing it and I just went through a bunch of videos, and I just went on the website and I looked at all the comments and stuff, and a lot of them were really good. However, some of them were a bit... I just wanted to see what it was like for myself, so I decided to get myself one. I haven't touched it yet. It's not unboxed yet, obviously, because this is an unboxing video. Ugh. So this is the ring light here. I did not pick that up very subtly. In this box is my ring light. It comes with a stand and a few other bits and bobs as well, which I'll get into in a minute. Obviously what's inside is fragile, and it does say that right there. And it does say handle with care, which I do not think Amazon or even the delivery company kind of, you know, took that in mind, because it looks like the box has been damaged. So I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know whether it has it is actually damaged on the inside or not, but we will find out. Also, I don't know if you've noticed, but I am not using a ring light at the moment or anything. I'm just using my normal light. I'll just show you guys. I'm just using that at the moment. This is the lighting I have right now. Don't forget about it. Okay guys, now I have this in a more clearer view. I'm gonna just get into it and see what is inside and just start unboxing it for you. So here is one box. Ooh, who is this? It comes in a bag and it says Neewer on the front of it, and I just love how professional it looks. I really do like this bag. So you just have to, it's got Velcro to keep the handles together. Let me just open this for you guys, see what is inside. Okay, so the ring light is behind this comes off. I was like, where the hell is the ring light? Okay, so this is packaged really nicely. Ooh, right. So if I just take these out, let me bring you down a notch so you can see exactly kind of from my view. If I just take this out of here, what the hell? Oh my god, I don't want to break anything. This packaging is quite tight. I know that I looked on the reviews and it said that the packaging, like inside of the bag itself, is quite tightly packed in, so it's hard to get things in and out, which I do understand, because you don't want it kind of moving around inside the bag. It would be nice to be able to have something that can like get your fingers in, so you can just kind of take it out easier. How do I get this out? Okay, let me just, oh, there we go. There she is. This is the ring light itself, and it is big. I'm just gonna move her to one side. So this is exactly what it looks like inside the bag. It's quite nicely packed in. It has all the sections for all the different things that go inside the bag, and obviously for the bit where the ring light goes. So I'm just gonna shut that, and she will move to the end of the bed. Box number 2. 3, 2. So inside here, oh yes, okay. This is the stand, guys. I have instructions here, but I got told that it's really easy to work out and that it doesn't take a genius to put together. So I'm no genius, so I'm just gonna try and just read the instructions if I get stuck on a few things. I know everyone always says, read the instructions, don't just wing it. Oh, so this just expands like this. Okay, now I get it. Right, this is the right way here, and you just got to tighten these up. Now you can tell that this is quite tall as well, and these legs here 1 second, guys. Now, there was another thing that I read in the comments that the stand for the ring light itself is really wobbly and it's unstable. But I'm just going to test it out and let you guys know my experience with this. Hopefully she's not too wobbly. Alright. Bloody hell. Okay, that's tall. Let me just tighten it up. I think what I'll do is I'll put the legs out just a little bit more, just so I feel like it's more stable. Because they do go in quite like together. But if you just have them spread out evenly and tighten it up, it is good to go. Now, before I start with the rest of the stuff, I just want to go through the instructions. Hello. So in the instructions, they have really detailed step-by-steps to follow. So here is just about the company itself and just telling you that it has a 1-year warranty. You can actually email them if there's anything wrong. I've noticed that sometimes I get products and they don't actually come with stuff like this. So it's kind of like takes the weight off your shoulders. So we have got this on now. So this is all assembled. 1 second, no it's not. Oh my god. There we go. Now it's all together. I decided to put the white one on. I've got another one here. This is like for like a dimmer light to make it more, I don't know, like an orangey type of like sunset type of vibe. So I have this ready. Can I just say as well, oh shit, I need to put this on. Oh my god. Right, okay, so I was wrong, I need to put this on. Wow, that makes it extra tall. Okay, right. It said it's bendable. It's not bendable at all. Oh my god, it is bendable. It's just really hard to move. Okay, so this is actually really hard to move. Yeah, it is bendable. It's just really hard to move. So it comes also with this. This is one of those things. I don't know what it's called. Hold on. So this is what it looks like. And you put your camera on the top of there as well. See what's happening. So obviously we're going to put our light on top of here now. It's all together. Okay, we have it up. So this is it up and ready. You can adjust it however you want it. Also, this here bends. So this is what it looks like up close. The stand is really nice. It's quite strong. All the way up they have these twisty things here which you can adjust, and there is a wire there as well to plug in to a socket. So this is kind of what it looks like next to my head. It is quite big. It's really nice though. Okay, I have the camera now set up in the ring light. Just the aesthetic of it is really pleasing and I am so excited to turn it on. This is what I look like without the ring light on. There's shadowy bits everywhere you can see from my light shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn it on. Okay, this is it. Wow, wait. That's the low lighting. This is what it looks like right now. Let's just turn it up. That's medium. This is the brightest, and I don't know if you can tell, but from when I'm looking towards the camera, it is really, really bright. We can turn off all the lights as well. So that's it, just like on a medium. This is perfect for taking pictures, making videos, etc. It looks really nice and it just makes my room look so pretty. 1 second. Tristan, do you want to come see my ring light?
Yeah. Oh wow.
Isn't it bright?
Very bright.
Do you like it? I'm going to show you guys the before and after. This is with the light off. This is what it looks like. And this, You know what, can I just say, it hits you. Look how nice it looks. I'll do quite a close-up on my face. I'm so sorry. I've been sweating and you can tell. Maybe I can do better makeup now because I don't have to rely on this crappy light that I've already got. Okay, so what I decided to do was to take off the white filters. So I took off the white filters and I replaced them with the orange ones that I showed you previously, because I wanted to show you guys like the differences between them both. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to just turn it on. I'm not going to look at it because I know how bright it can be. It's already bright. Okay, so wow. I really like this one. This one's really nice. It gives off like a pinky kind of orangey tone, but it's very subtle. It's not very bright and in your face. It's really, really nice. I do like these. If I was going to shoot pictures and get photos, I'm going to use this one. But if I was going to like film, I'd probably use the white one. Exactly just what it looks like. So if it's off, looks like this. And if it's on, okay, it looks like this. Yeah, so just a disclaimer, it does kind of shock you a little bit when the lights turn on, so if you have sensitive eyes, make sure to look away. And there's also a little cover thing that you can get that can make it easier on your eyes. Just buy that on Amazon. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna put the link in the description below and any sort of information that I've missed out. I give this ring light a 10 out of 10. It was amazing, it looks amazing, and it's just so easy to put up. It is definitely worth the money. The ring light that I have bought is $71.99 and it was on Amazon Prime, so if you're a Prime member you can get it on that. This is probably one of the best ones that I have seen on there so far because it had like a full description of what you're getting. However, it does not, well, I didn't see it. It didn't mention that you were going to get this, and this was just kind of a plus. That's why I was really excited when I saw it. Unboxing all this stuff, when I saw it in this I was like yes, because I know that sometimes ring lights and things like that can be shipped and just being put into polyester and just kind of left in the box, and you just kind of have to find your own type of way of putting it in something. I am really happy. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for this ring light. I really do recommend it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Also, I just want to let you know that I have Instagram as well. If you want to follow that, I'll put that in the description below. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Lost control of myself, I'm compromised.